Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Nama Budaya, Salam Kebajikan. On this occasion, I will present the results of our group assignments, namely Prototype Sidana. But before that, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Jessica Rahelias Mamora. I am from Group 3. The first, Sidana Prototype School Funding System. In this opening slide, we introduce Sidana, a prototype school funding system application. This application is designed as a financial technology-based solution to help schools manage education funds in a more transparent, structured, and easily monitored manner. The background to Sidana's development stems from the real-world situation in many schools, particularly public high schools, which still face challenge in recording school operating assistance funds, committee funds, and other operational funds. Through this prototype, we want to demonstrate that technology can be an effective tool to increase accountability and public trust in school fund management. The next is general information. Introduction to Technology Sidana is a conceptual application prototype developed by our group as a form of implementing the concept of financial technology in the education sector. The main focus of this application is the management of education funds, which has previously tended to be secretive and difficult to monitor by parties outside the school. The main goal of Sidana is to increase transparency, reporting efficiency, and public accountability. This application is intended for both internal and external school users, such as school administrators or financial managers, teachers and staff, parents, and the school committee. By involving all these parties, Sidana is expected to create a more open and trustworthy financial management system. The next is system requirements. This slide explains the system requirements of Sidana application. This prototype requires a stable internet connection because all financial information is designed to be accessible in real time by users according to their respective roles. Furthermore, Sidana focuses on mobile-based access using Android or iOS device. This is based on consideration that mobile devices are the most practical medium for school administrators and parents to monitor school finance at any time, regardless of location and time. The next is how to access the prototype. Currently, Sidana is still in the interactive prototype stage, created using Figma. To access it, users simply open the provided link in a browser. This approach was chosen so that users can immediately experience the application's usage flow and understand the system concept without having to install the application to create a special account. This prototype is effective as a presentation medium and for evaluating system design. The next is application flow. This slide shows the general flow of using Sidana application. The process begins on the home page, then the user selects a role, logs in, and is directed to the dashboard based on their chosen role. This flow is designed to be simple and logical so that it can be used by all users, including the parents and school committee members who may not have a technology background. The simplicity of the flow is key to the application with spread acceptance and use. The next is role choose and login. At this stage, users are asked to choose a role, admin, parent, or school committee member. Role selection is crucial because it determines the access rights and features available within the application. After selecting a role, user log in using a name and password. Although still a simulation is the prototype, this feature illustrates the basic security mechanism of the system, ensuring that school financial data can only be accessed by authorized parties. The next admin dashboard consists of the home, task, and icon plus taskbar. The admin dashboard is the control center of For school financial management, on the home menu, admins can view important information such as the remaining balance, a summary of income and expense, a graph of annual fund allocation, and a history of recent transactions. The tax menu serves as a grouping point for financial tasks such as teacher salaries, school administration, facilities, and student activities. Meanwhile, the icon place can be used to directly record income and expenditures. All of these features are designed to enable admins to work efficiently and in a structured manner. Next, admin add search of funds. This slide explains the add search of funds feature, which admin use to record all incoming funds to the school. This fund can come from boss or school operational assistance, commit funds, tuition fees, donation, or other sources. Each income is recorded by category and amount and is accompanied by proof of receipt. This ensures that each incoming fund has clear and accountable documentation, thereby minimizing the risk of recording errors or misuse of funds. The next, admin expense input. These slides show the process of recording school expense. The admin select an expense category such as teacher salaries, facilities, student activities, or school administration, then enters the amount and description of the expense order. Expenditures must also be accompanied by transaction evidence such as receipts or invoices. This mechanism is ensured that every use of school funds is recorded in detail, transparently, and ready for audit. This feature is the core of financial accountability in the Sidana application. Next is admin report menu. The report menu displays a summary of school income and expenditures. Data is organized by date, category, and transaction type, making it easy to understand and evaluate. With this report, admins no longer need to manually prepare financial reports. All data is readily available in the system and can be used for evaluation and reporting to relevant parties. The next is teacher, committee, parents. The slides show the application interface for teacher, parents, and school committee members. These roles do not have access to input or modify data but only to monitor. This concept emphasizes that Sidana focus not only on internal management but also on information disclosure to external parties as a form of public transparency. Next, user dashboards. The parents and committee dashboard displays school financial information in summary and graphical visualization. The information displayed includes the remaining balance, income, and expenditure graphs, and fund allocation. This display is designed to be easily understood by non-technical users, allowing parents and committee members to understand the school financial condition without having to read complex financial reports. The next is transaction details and proof. This feature allows users to view complete transaction details, including the data, category, amount, and description of the funds used. Furthermore, transaction receipts are also displayed visually. This feature is crucial for building trust, as parents and committee members can directly see proof of the use of school funds. The next is usage scenario. This slide illustrates a real-life example of the Sidana application. The administrator records school expense, and the system then updates the dashboard and reports. Meanwhile, parents and committee members can directly monitor this transaction, view details and evidence, and evaluate the appropriateness of fund usage with the budget plan. The next is prototype limitation. This slide explains that Sidana is still a prototype. The system is not yet connected to a real database and doesn't yet have a real backend. All the data displayed is simulated. Conveying this limitation is important to demonstrate that this prototype was created realistically and its accordance with its development stage. Next, other limitations include the lack of a real security system. automate calculation, native PDF reports, and dynamic graphic. However, despite these technical limitations, this prototype successfully illustrates the application concept, flow, and key features comprehensively. Next, development suggestion. The slide contains suggestions for further development, such as building a real backend and database, a real-time approval system, automatic notification, improved data security, and integration with the national BOS system. This development demonstrates that Sidana has a great potential to be developed into an operational application that is actually used by schools. Next, in conclusion. In conclusion, Sidana is a prototype application designed to increase transparency and accountability in education fund management through financial technology. With further development, Sidana has the potential to become a real solution for schools in managing finance openly, securely, and reliably, while also increasing trust among parents and the community. Thank you.